Hello everyone, this is our tall building design project assignment for Skyfi Labs online course. My name is Mohnish Nagle and this video is made by me. I am a BTech pre-final year student from Department of Civil Engineering, Lakshmi Narain College of Technology, Bhopal, as part of the final assignment of tall building design course from Skyfi Labs. This project is made by me, Mohnish Nagle, and Ishlok Bansal. So this is our tall building which we are going to design in the ETABS software. This tall building has four different story cases. Story 1 to 8 has live load of 5 kN per meter square. Story 9 to 14 has a live load of 4.5 kN per meter square. Story 15 to 19 has a live load of 4 kN per meter square. And story 20 to 23 has a live load of 3.5 kN per meter square. The dead load is equals 2 kN per meter square for all the story. The beams and columns specifications are as follows. We need to use auto select option in the ETABS software. The column dimensions are 500 mm cross 500 mm, 550 mm cross 550 mm, and 600 mm cross 600 mm. The beam dimensions are 500 mm cross 300 mm, 550 mm cross 350 mm, and 600 mm cross 400 mm. For the building, we need to use M40 grade of concrete, HYSD 500 and mild 250 rebars. For the slabs, the dimension is 150 mm thick and we also need to use M40 grade of concrete for the slabs. We also need to use auto drop cladding for which the cladding load is 0.2 kN per meter. The wind load and the seismic load and other considerable loads are used for the building being in the Bangalore city. Now I am switching to the ETABS software. So this is our tall building in the ETABS software. First, we need to check the load cases for which you need to go to the define tab, then go to the load cases. Here you can see the dead load, the live load and the wind load has already been assigned. Then press OK. Then you need to analyze the building, for which you need to go to the Analyze tab, then set load cases to run. Here, for all the load cases, the status is showing not run. So we need to run now for the analysis. The analysis is being run in the background, for which we need to wait for a while. So this is the deformed shape of the building. You can select the rotate 3D view option to see the different angles of the building. We can also see the different slab loads and frame loads and member loads, for which we need to go to the display tab. Then we need to go to the force and stress diagram. Then go to the frame, pier, spandrel or link forces. Here the different components are given, for which we need to select the axial force and then apply. So this is the axial force in our tall building. Then select for moment and then apply. This is a moment applied in our tall building. Then press OK. We can also check for the response spectrum plot. Again in the display tab, go to the story response plots. This plot gives us the details about maximum story displacement. So this is the plot. Now we will need to completely analyze our tall building, for which we need to go to the design check. Then go to the design tab, concrete frame design, and view and revise preferences. Please check here the design code Indian Standard 456 of 2000 and press OK. Then again go to the design tab, concrete frame design, and start design check. The design check is running in the background. We need to wait for a while. The dialog box is showing that analysis and design section differ for 7 concrete frames, and we do not want to reiterate the analysis and design, so press no. Then for the complete design, go to the design tab again, concrete frame design, and verify all members passed. The software is showing that all concrete frames passed the design check. Then press OK. So this is our video assignment on the tall building. I would like to thank the Skyfi Labs for providing me the opportunity to give this assignment. Thank you very much.